Dear friends, my name is Dr. Igor and I am a clinical oncologist with more than 10-year clinical experience. What are the main symptoms of vitamin D deficiency? Let's figure it out. But first, everyone knows that vitamin D is needed for bone health, so they are mineralized normally, so that they have normal metabolic processes. And accordingly, vitamin D deficiency causes bone mineralization decrease. Bones will lose their density. As a result, it can cause an osteomalacia, osteopenia, and eventually an osteoporosis, when the bones become fragile and break easily. Accordingly, the first thing that will happen is pain in the bones. And of course, when a person comes to the doctor with complaints of bone pain, it is necessary to check for vitamin D, calcium, parathyroid hormone as a part of necessary examination. Consequently, bones break easily with minimal injury or even without injury, but simply under load. Another symptom is a chronic fatigue. Naturally, it can be caused by hundreds of reasons, but among the tests to clear it out, in addition to a general blood test which can show anemia, low hemoglobin, in addition to checking the thyroid gland, of course you need to check a vitamin D level. Vitamin D is needed for immunity. If a person gets sick easily with respiratory infections, it may be worth checking his vitamin D levels. One more symptom is a bad mood. Of course, it can be also associated with various problems, but vitamin D needs to be checked. Because it often happens that a person gets better when he starts taking vitamin D, and his tiredness leaves him and his mood improves. Further, there can be muscle pain and wounds may heal poorly. Therefore, dear friends, try to stay in sun with care. You need the sun in moderate quantities. But if you have any risk factors that I mentioned in a full-time video about vitamin D, it may be worth taking vitamin D, especially when the sunlight is insufficient. If you have ever taken vitamin D, are taking it now, or are going to, please write in the comments how you feel about it in general, whether you think it's justified or it's some kind of global fashion now. It will be interesting to know your opinion, and I'm saying goodbye to you. God bless you. Bye.